Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'll walk you through how to use Seedream 3.0, a powerful AI image generator developed by ByteDance, yep, the same company behind TikTok. Seedream 3.0 is gaining serious attention for its impressive image generation quality. Some say it's even rivaling GPT 4.0 in performance. In fact, it currently ranks just below GPT 4.0 on Hugging Face's leaderboard. And the results speak for themselves. This model understands both English and Chinese, has faster generation speeds, and its aesthetic quality, especially text rendering, is pretty remarkable. Now, here's how you can use Seedream 3.0 for free. Simply go to your browser and search for Dreamina CapCut or go directly to dreamina.capcut.com. Sign in using your CapCut account. If you don't have one, it's quick to sign up using your email or Google. Once inside, click on Image Generator, then select the Image or Generate Image tab. Enter your text prompt. You can also upload a reference image, add text, and tweak styles. Under the model options, choose Image 3.0 or Seedream 3.0. Good news, it's completely free, no premium account needed. You can even choose your image resolution, could be standard or 2K, and aspect ratio. Then hit generate and wait a few seconds for your image to render. I tried out a few prompts myself, including some bizarre and very specific scenarios, and while not every image was perfect, the results were surprisingly close to what I imagined, showing that Seedream 3.0 handles creative and complex prompts very well. Quick disclaimer, this video is based on personal research and testing. So for the final verdict, Seedream 3.0 is one of the most impressive free image or free AI image generators available today. It's fast, creative, and accessible to everyone. While it's not always 100% accurate, it's definitely worth trying, especially for anyone exploring AI art without paying a dime. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.